Why, as a customer, would I care about getting paintless dent repair?
Why, as a customer?
Yeah, why would I care about the fact you're going to give me 6 months of paintless dent repair?
When you want to keep it as new as possible, so when you bring it in to trade it in, you get more money.
Okay. Why would I want paintless dent repair? By the way, have you ever gotten a ding or a dent?
Yeah.
Ever had a ding or a dent? All of us have.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
How many of us, when we came out and found that the ding or dent was there, Googled nearest paintless dent repair facility near me? None of us. Nobody gets those things fixed. What happens when you find it?
Damn it.
You cuss. You want to strangle somebody, but that person's long gone. Okay? So then you go on about your business. If it's a new car and it happens the first time, first of all, you're parking way out in the parking lot, out where no one's near you, and they still find your car and ding or dent it. Okay? People don't get these things fixed. So if people don't get them fixed, why would they care? First of all, what's it cost to get a ding or a dent the size of a dime taken out using the paintless dent repair process?
$200.
$50, $60, $60, okay? $25 if it's wholesale, but if somebody goes into a paintless dent repair shop, they're going to get charged $50. If it's credit card size, which is about the biggest they can fix, it might be $150. But nobody knows that because nobody looks into it. Now, Ray and I both are trading in a car today. Both of them are 2016s, same model, same trim level, same miles. Ray's vehicle has got no dings or dents. Mine's got like 9 or 10. Which one's worth more? Ray's car is worth more. How many customers think about dings or dents devaluing their trade-in?
0.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. All right, because when they go to KBB, unless they hit the instant cash offer, there is no clicking on dings or dents. All right, so they don't know this. I was at the restaurant last night. If I'd commandeered the microphone and said, hey, my name is Steve, if you'll come up and give me your name and your email address, I'll give you 6 months of paintless dent repair, you think anybody would have gotten out of their seats? The answer is no. So if I just say, hey, Austin, you're getting paintless dent repair, it's going to go in one ear and out the other. So we've got to make a solid presentation. Now, the best place to do it is if you're walking their trade. Okay? But most of us, all of us, well, I know you were taught the same thing I was taught, and we were taught to do silent walkarounds, right?
Yeah.
Silent trade walks. Okay, the silent trade walk I learned in 1983. It lost its effect in 1994, but people have been teaching it ever since. All right? What I do now when I walk a trade is the physical actions are the same, the verbiage is just different. If I see that Tommy's got dings and dents, I'm not going to say something stupid like, what happened here, Tommy? Which is what I was taught to say. I'm going to say, hey, Tommy, you got dings and dents like everybody else in Jackson, Tennessee. This is evidence you parked your car somewhere. Tommy, have you looked into what it would cost to get any of these dings or dents fixed?
No, sir.
Okay. The small ones are about $50. Some of the bigger ones might be up to $100, $150. But you know what, Tommy? You may have coverage that'll fix all these dings and dents for you at no cost and dramatically increase the value of your trade. Did you happen to buy a paintless dent repair policy when you bought your vehicle?
I'm not sure, but I don't think so.
The number one response is, what is it? The number two response is, I don't think so. Okay? Too bad. Too bad. Something you may want to consider with your next vehicle, but you'll be glad to know that you picked out a Motor Trend certified vehicle. Paintless dent repair comes complimentary for the first 6 months. How many dings or dents will we fix during the first 6 months?
No.
At no cost to the customer.
Unlimited?
Probably none.
92.
92.
What?
Might as well say
I just made that up.
Oh,
Okay? It's unlimited. Okay? They get 2 visits. Okay, they get 2 visits to the paintless dent repair place, which is going to be back on your lot because we're going to send them back here and have your paintless dent repair guy do it because we want the customer to know that the benefit's coming from you. They could care less who EasyCare is. So we want them to think it's coming from Sarah Jackson, and quite frankly, it is. But we will fix an unlimited number of dings or dents during the first 6 months, but we will only give them 2 visits. So what I tell a customer is I say, hey, Gordon, if you get one tomorrow, don't call the 800 number and file a claim. Wait till you got a couple of them, okay? Because we're going to give you 2 visits, but during the first 6 months, we'll fix an unlimited number. What's that going to do for you? Well, if your vehicle's got fewer dings and dents when you go to trade or sell, you're going to get more money for the vehicle, okay? That's simple. So that's how we create value in paintless dent repair. If they don't have a trade, you can't do that. So you have to do it straight up. Look, you've had dings and dents before, right, Ray?
Absolutely.
Did you ever get them fixed?
No.
Nobody ever gets them fixed because it wouldn't be worth filing an insurance claim because most deductibles are $500 and these things are only $50 or $60. Yes, sir.
Does that go on Carfax if they have that?
I'm not sure that paintless dent repair goes on a Carfax.
Especially if we're using our vendor.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never seen it anyway. I don't think it does. It would be nice if paintless dent repair people reported to Carfax, though. Interesting. So, well, look, most people don't get them fixed, but they do hurt the value of your vehicle. You're going to get paintless dent repair complimentary for 6 months. All right, and by the way, if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than 6 months, and you probably do, don't you, Seth? Mm-hmm. Check with one of our finance guys. They'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years. All right, that's paintless dent repair. The first time I was retired